Dear friend, when I saw Vandana, who is also known as Binnu in her family because she was the youngest child of Dr. Nandkishore Jha and Asa Jha, her mother, she was a very lovable and affectionate child, lot of fondles from her father, but without any dream and without any ambition. She never dreamed to be anything great, but she was in MDDM College of Muzaffarpur, Bihar, in the first year of ISC. That time there was no 10 plus 2, it was ISC, BSc, MSc and all these in the university. And when I got engaged, I really got very surprised to see she was wasting more of time in worshipping, cleaning houses and doing a lot of domestic work. I caught her hand and asked her, why are you feeling so proud of yourself? You are doing something which any ordinary human being can do without using the intelligence and the brain. And I inspired her to use her brain because whatever the mind can conceive and believe, the mind can achieve. Human beings are blessed with the power of the mind, and if somebody uses their intelligence or his intelligence or brain, they have the future, they can do anything and everything on earth. But slowly and steadily I influenced her and I inspired her, and she became a very serious student. The whole family is very prestigious. The great-grandfather of Dr. Vandana Jha now, Swargi Sri Jatta Jha, was a brave hero like Shivaji and Maharana Pratap. He was a great warrior. He has defeated so many enemies just by his sticks and lathis and banas. So they have a very brave character and brave heart. Now she started putting her mind and she was doing very well. She studied very well. She joined MSc in chemistry in Bihar University. She was to become the first there, but there was a corrupt man, Taleswar Singh, Taleswar Sharma, T.S. Sharma. These people used to really influence people and the examiners, and the questions paper were given to their students. They were bribed, and so she could not become the topper in Bihar University, but she was a very good student. When I joined IIT Kharagpur in a project of DST under Dr. Arvind P. Chaudhary, I also pulled her to IIT Kharagpur, and she joined Material Science and Engineering under Professor Bantia, a very renowned professor of IIT Kharagpur, and she worked very hard and she did a lot of good work in the stealth plane where radar cannot detect those waves. She developed different types of paints there and got PhD. So both of us become doctorate. And this picture which you see in the video on the motorbike is of ours. And Dr. Vandana Jha helped me a lot to write my thesis also. She was always a great force to reckon with for me. She did so much hard work, and her loyalty and her love and affection, because she belonged to her mother's character. Sita, Savitri, Sati and Suya, that was the devotion of that person. When I was very few hours away from her, she will be restless and helpless. That was her affinity and affection for me. And she got PhD, and then she got a job in Cosmoferrites, and I was working after my PhD in a project that was Professor H.N. Acharya. It was a project of Mekong, and I was to get a job there, but as he joined Cosmoferrites, Javli Solan, Himachal Pradesh, I also requested. The President, Mr. S.S. Monian, also joined there. I was the quality control management head, and she was heading the research and development wing. We studied and stayed and worked long time there, near about 2 to 3 years, and then we shifted to NMDC, and there we set up new product development lab. That is the close of the chapter of private sector, and then the new story started. Thank you, viewers. Anybody with a dream, desire, aspirations, commitment, passion and hard work can reach any great thing in life. Thank you very much. Dr. Vandana Jha has been such a great person. She has achieved a lot under the induction effect of her husband, Dr. B.K. Chaudhary, today Fakir Yogi, Virendra Yogi, and I inspire daughters and sisters and sons that you can too. If you have no dream, start dreaming, desiring, aspiring. Work very hard, perseverance, persistence, commitment. striving, seeking and finding different ways and means to glorify your life. Don't live a dog's life. Don't use your hands and legs, use your brain, because there is a real power of brain. What Dr. Vandana Jha has exemplified in her life. She was most reputed manager in NMDC. She has very glorified career. She worked very hard, right from brooming to the floor to operating the different machines, and of course she was a technologist. From Cosmoferrites, she was R&D head, so she can be an example for a lot of daughters and sisters, children who were nothing and they become everything. There has to be a guru and guide who can really inspire and motivate and streamline their every moment of life. Thank you, viewers. Dr. Vandana Jha is an example for all of us. Thank you.